to our new house.
Hi, my name is Emmy.
And I'm Scott. We're sitting kind of in the living room and dining room of our new house.
We spent almost 12 months working with the architect to design what this house was going to look like. Then it took, I guess, another 19 months to build the house.
We love it. I mean, the neighborhood is great. It's close to downtown. You can walk to 4th Street. Yeah, it's a great neighborhood. We built the house to entertain a lot, so we've double dishwashers, double fridges. So there's a fun fridge and a food fridge. From a butler's pantry, kind of wine storage, and a nice way to close off the living room and the dining room from the kitchen when the dishes are dirty and you can kind of go out of sight, out of mind. We bought the old house in 2008, and then we tore it down in April of 2013, so 6 weeks before the floods in Calgary. This is the area we spend most of our time when we're not at work or not out walking the dog. Yeah, so let's go upstairs. The chandelier was what used to be in the dining room of our old house. So we were able to take some vestiges of the old place and bring it into the new house, which was kind of nice. And my office, or my man cave, or Quincy's bedroom as otherwise known. What you doing, monkey? Huh? What you doing? And then we'll make our way up to the 3rd floor. And then laundry room. We wanted to have a bit of glam in the laundry room, so it shines in the sunlight, which is nice. We built up instead of out. So 2 bedrooms that essentially share a Jack and Jill bathroom, has its own little closet.
Because I own the artwork prior to building the house, we built a lot of the rooms around the artwork.
I would say it's Emmy's collection, and I helped pick out a few things here and there.
You picked out one.
I picked out one, yeah. The dogs playing poker didn't make it.
No, I got kicked out. One of the things that we kept reminding ourselves was that we have to build this house for the people we are, not the people we want to be. We built it for us. Otherwise, it just never would have felt really something that we would consider home.